all the policy formulation of being ordered to our people was based on the World Health Organization order. Ayun po ano dito nakakagulat. And that's the reason why I invited the representative ng WHO Dahil lahat ng protocols that was initiated by WHO are being implemented in the whole country, not only in us, but in the whole world. And the very essence of one of the investigation that we are conducting right now is the amendment of the International Health Regulation. Alam niyo ba natin yon, yung International Health Regulation? That they have some sort of amendment in 307 amendments. Sa 307 amendments, coming December 1, they have reduced substantially from 18 months to 10 months yung period of amendments because they have adopted. Nagkaroon na po ng adoption nung 307 amendments nung last